Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today we're diving into the process of replacing the LCD cover on your ASUS UM3402Y. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your device looking brand new in no time. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You'll notice several screws holding the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any clips. After the panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, locate the LCD cover. It's typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you keep track of them as well. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with this repair if needed. With the screws removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. Be careful not to pull too hard, as there may be cables connected to the display. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. Once the old LCD cover is removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new cover with the screen and gently press it into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, securing the cover firmly but not overly tight, as this could cause damage. After securing the new cover, it's a good idea to clean the screen before reattaching the back panel. Use your microfiber cloth to wipe down the display, ensuring it's free of fingerprints and dust. Now carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring everything is tight and secure. If you're feeling overwhelmed at any point, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service to get your laptop repaired without the hassle. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the display for any issues and make sure the new cover is securely in place. If you notice any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you every step of the way. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your ASUS UM3402Y. With a little patience and the right tools, you can tackle this repair with confidence. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.